let's do my makeup with the Lens palette. This is the liner palette from Glisten Cosmetics. My lashes stuck to it, super cute. I have been playing with it for the past like hour, just doing random things, so I am gonna clean it, but I'm waiting till I finish this video, so that's why she looks a little rough on these mixed ones, because I've just been playing around. But I just decided to do something very simple, very easy as the first one I film, so this is what we're going for. So first up, this is a water activated palette. I have a little spray bottle that I fill up with water from the tap, and that is how I activate my palettes. We're gonna first go in with Maximum Slay, which is a super pretty light blue. I love this color. And then I'm going in with the brushes from Lynn's collection too, and this is the number 4 brush. Now I don't know how even I'm gonna get these, so it's kind of a guessing game at this point, because I am not too sure how I did this one as well as I did. I'm shocked by the way I did the outline. So nice, but I genuinely think it was the brushes, because my brushes are not this good, so I might need to get some more glisten brushes, because oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like follow along similar with the shape. I can totally clean it up because I did that on the other eye. These are water activated, so if you take a little bit of water on a Q-tip or another brush, it will easily come off, which is so good for looks like this where you're doing a little bit more than you're used to. This is a rough patch of where I want the area at, so that's okay. We're ignoring it where you're going with it. Now I'm gonna try to do a star. I feel like this went up way higher, so I'm gonna take a baby wipe. I use baby wipes instead of makeup wipes because my skin is so sensitive and they work really well. So sorry about that, don't get mad at me. And we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna start smaller than it needs to be and make it bigger. Let's go a little bigger. I don't know if you can hear my grandfather listening to AI stories. It's his new thing lately. We're just gonna clean up a little bit. My wipe is kind of dry because it's been sitting out for a while. But like literally, you see how nice that comes off? Which is so good when you're like playing around with stuff, and like it gives you time to fix something if you mess it up. It's okay to be messy. I literally did this exact process on this eye, especially at the end here. I wanted something somewhat sharp. It is so much easier to carve that out with a wipe sometimes or a Q-tip than it is to draw yourself. But like now I think I can go back in and trace the shape I want, since I got rid of all the extra stuff. Especially when I'm trying to make something even, I find it so much easier to clean up. And now I didn't use primer or anything, so first off, this is just how fucking good the colors are. But also it's gonna crack a little bit because I didn't put anything on there to like for it to hold on to. So that's not the liner, that is me not prepping properly. I've done nothing but put on eyebrows. Alright, now we're gonna go in with Cringe, this beautiful color. And then we're gonna go in with the number 1 brush and trace. This is the point where I'm gonna get quiet and focused. So I'll try to speak, but I'm probably gonna be very quiet and focused on this point. Now my chair moving on me as soon as I touched my eye. It may look a little darker, so I'll come back to it when it's dry. Now, I bought these lashes off of Amazon, so that's what we're gonna be using. They have a little blue on the end, and it matches the dark blue, so that was fun. I got a whole 10-pack, and there's 5 different color lashes. So if y'all are interested in that, literally go to Amazon and type in lashes or colored lashes. They will pop up. These are so good. Take this LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in the shade Black and put that in my tight line. I find it helps blend the lash a little better. Like, look how you can see the darkness there. I'm also going to take my beloved e.l.f. eyeliner and just do a little bit on this tight line. Also, if you see something flying, it's a ladybug. I have about 30 ladybugs in my room right now, and I have everything possible that you can do to catch a ladybug, to get rid of them, to like lure them outside. It's not happening. That's all I want. This just helps blend my lashes a little bit better. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I've been using this lately. It is the Tarte Man-Eater waterproof mascara. I kind of go back and forth with what I use depending on if something gets sent to me or not. But this is an oldie I pulled out. By oldie I mean like 2 months ago I was using it a lot, and now I am again. Okay, I tried to put the lash on and I realized I need to go in more with my eyeliner because it's a big lash, so we're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. and get it to be a very flat line and just fill in this area. And now we're gonna go for it. There we go. There we go. And then once the glue is dry, I'm gonna push my lashes together, but I don't want to do that quite yet. Alright, I'm gonna do my face makeup and I'll be right back. Also, did you see what I got? How cute is he? Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I've done my face makeup, and of course, we need some eyeshadow underneath the eye. So I'm going with this Goddess palette from Louise. It is so pretty. Like, look at these colors. Obsessed. So we're gonna use this because I feel like it's pretty close to the blue we're going for, and put that on my eye. I feel like that's a good match. I'm definitely gonna do some eyeliner underneath here as well. So let's do that. I'm gonna like blend the blue and the black. Now we need to blend that. I'm gonna go in with this tan color. It's called Heavenly Grace. I forgot to tell you. The blue is called Opulent. And I'm just gonna grab a random fuzzy brush, dip it into that, and go along here, just so it's not that harsh. There we go. Okay, let me do the other. Now I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner. It is from Lancome. I love the curved spoolie. Oh, from when I was playing earlier, I was really confused. I didn't clean up my hands for when I played with eyeliner earlier. I was drawing little stars. It just makes it so much easier to put them on my eyes like this. I don't know if it really matches this look, but my mom for Christmas also got me the Lens Juicy Lip Tint. So I swatched it the other day in my hand. It's so pretty. I kind of want to try it. But I'm not going to do like a liner or anything. I'm just going to use this. I usually don't do liners because my lips are such a weird shape. That liner makes it look worse. So how cute. Yeah, literally my lips can't close because they're such a weird shape that it messes them up. But there you go. So I'm gonna leave that on while I do my hair and whatnot, and then I will be back. Alright, I'm back. I put in my earrings I got from TikTok shop. How cute are those? And we're gonna wipe this off. Might have been not the color for the look, but it is really pretty. put a gloss on. I'm gonna use this one from NYX NYX. I get yelled at failure when I say it. Is Creme Brulee. It's a butter gloss. These are so pretty. Like they just add a little color. There we go. That looks a little better in my opinion. It might not be the best color for the eye look, but I really wanted to try that because it was super pretty. But here we are. Like, look how pretty this eyeshadow look is. This palette is so cute. Ugh, the details in these palettes are so sick. I hope that I can one day get the other half because I really want to play with the eyeshadows too. But like, when I asked my mother for Christmas, she was like, all of that? I was like, just the liners, please. The wet liner. So, but then she surprised me, got me the tint and the brushes too. So it's so exciting. That's so fun. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. What kind of looks do you want to see me do with this? Because I'm so excited. I just want to just make fun and simple today. Yeah, there we are. It's so cute.